Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. So right now I'll be preparing jackfruit jam. Right here is our jackfruit. Well, I'll start by cutting the jackfruit, then I'll take out all the seeds. Finally, we are done. Here is our jackfruit, and here are our seeds. We shall use them in another recipe. And off we go. So you just put it on fire without adding any water. The jackfruit will bring out its own water as it's cooking through. Remember, right here we are making healthy jam because this is jam without sugar. We don't need to add any sugar because jackfruit is very sweet. After a few minutes, it will start breaking down into small pieces like that. So right now our jam is ready. This is the texture we want. But if you want it to be a little runny, you can add in some butter. But for us, we prefer eating it like that without adding any sugar or butter. So this is jackfruit jam. So that's how our jam looks like. Delicious and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.